Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to flip your camera while recording video on Android. Let's get started. Step 1. Grab your Android phone and open the Play Store app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account to download apps smoothly. Step 2. At the top of the screen, you'll see the search bar. Tap on it and type Nonstop Video Cam. Once you find it in the search results, tap the Install button and wait for the app to download. Step 3. After the installation is complete, open the app. The app will request certain permissions, such as access to your camera and microphone. Make sure to grant all the necessary permissions for it to function properly. Step 4. Now tap on the Get Started option. Once you're in, locate the record icon and tap on it to start recording. And if you decide to switch the camera while recording, simply tap on the camera switch icon. The app will instantly switch between the front and rear cameras without interrupting your recording. Step 6. Need to pause your recording? Just tap on the pause icon. To resume, tap on the record button again and your recording will continue seamlessly. Step 7. Once you're done recording, it's time to save your video. Tap on the export button, then confirm by selecting the Save to Library option. Wait a few moments while the app processes and saves your video. To check your saved video, go back to the home screen and open your Gallery app. Find the recently saved video and play it to make sure everything looks great. And that's it. Now you know how to flip your camera while recording video on Android. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.